Thank you for calling Evergrace Foundation. We focus on uplifting quality of life by understanding your needs and giving necessary support, providing homes for aged senior citizens, creating healthcare awareness mainly focusing on mother and child care as well as animal care, social development and educational programs for poor and underprivileged, protecting the environment and natural resources, continuous research and conducting studies on socio-economic problems of the society. Your call is important to us. Please hold.